Everybody, it's Paul by Jim making another YouTube video. And today, I'm going to be playing with some of my friends, and we're going to be doing the suckiest pistol challenge in Call of Duty Ghost. And, what you have to do is you have to use the suckiest pistol, and whoever wins the battle wins. And all you have to do is just use the M9A1, and whoever wins just wins, and he gets everything. Alright. Still connecting the Xbox Live. Oh, now it's fetching online profile. So if you guys do enjoy this video, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. Talking to, would you like to say hi or give a shout out to somebody? What's up? I believe you guys heard that. You might want to say it again. Whoa, that's the side of police. Yeah, I'm joining. I just gotta get my class and stuff set up. M9A1. Alright, M9A1. Yup. But no armor here thing. Okay, what can I put on it? Extended mag. Okay. Can we use tacticals and stuff? No, okay. This is a not for me, so. Alright, you ready to start it? Alright, are you ready, gangster?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Alright. Alright, I got it. Man, I'm hyped. M9, right? My primary is my Maverick.
My primary is my compass.
Time to work, Ghost Squad.
Oh my god, this really is the worst system. Knife? We can knife?
Not knife.
I freaked out.
I like you. How about that? I like the knife. I'll use a pistol.
I freaked out at hard.
Knife and lag.
I know. No, you nice.
I'm sorry, I can't.
Like I
You
did.
said those if you want.
Dude, this is fun. And after this, you want to have a quick cut battle?
No one can ever, you cannot steal anybody's care package. Enemy care package incoming.
We're doing care packages?
Yeah, you can only use care package. You cannot kill me though. Care package ready for delivery.
Alright, I'm getting a care package.
Alright. Don't, you gotta keep running. You gotta keep running. You gotta keep running around. Hey, y'all, you care.
I'm so glad. Oh, I guess I killed a dog. I can't believe I killed a dog.
Oh, wow. I failed.
I'm lost in half of the attention, right?
Yeah, but I can't see anything on my map.
I can't either. Give it a second.
I can't believe I'm in the lead right now. Okay, but I only have 14 kills. After this, I have to edit my class.
God dang, I cannot aim with this one.
I know, it's hard.
I hate this gun.
Oh, headshot. I got a headshot.
Where'd you?
Yeah, what he said.
Why? Oh.
Nathan.
How am I knifing? My skill, my talent. Oh, alright, I got a care package. You cannot kill me. Enemy care package.
You can kind of open it up anywhere.
There we go.
What'd you get?
Wow.
What'd you get?
Wow.
Wow.
I'm horrible.
Yeah,
Yes. Your package.
alright, enemy care package. Here you go.
Oh, that's you. I thought it was the other dude. What'd you get? You got a SATCOM?
Yeah.
I'm not the only person getting English stuff.
Maybe. Maybe you're first place. I hate this stabbing.
Okay, no more stabbing. No word nice.
Oh, I got no care package.
Really? I've only got one. Is everybody doing theirs like over here?
Oh, I got something good this time.
What'd you get?
What?
I'm not gonna tell you.
I swear to God, keep rotating 15 10 seconds.
No, I'm just kidding. I didn't get a test strike. I got it. Hey, go in the kitchen.
I didn't do that. He did it. He probably came up behind it and knifed it.
I did.
Yeah, because if you knife something, it kills it automatically. I don't get that.
No, you have to knife
Yeah, I saw that. Somebody has a dog.
That's my dog. Touch it and I'll
I killed your dog.
I don't care right now.
You missed by so much.
No, I didn't. It was like right there. And
Are y'all working together against me or something?
No.
Man, that's for real. I thought I had you right there. What is that? Oh, I'm glad they all went over
they
there.
all started to kill me. You did not kill me at all.
I know I was trying to.
Oh, I just saw over.
I really don't like this class. You missed again.
We're winning this fight.
I panicked.
Care package waiting for your car.
Care package, I got a care package. No, stop, I got a care package. Dude, I have a care package.
Sit down. Dang it.
It's time. It's adventure time.
Shotgun ready.
I got another chem strike, but I'm not gonna use it.
Seriously?
Yeah. Am I still in the lead? I'm boss of this class. I have like almost 30.
I knew you were coming up.
No, we can't kill you. We can't use kill free.
Can?
Yeah, we can't kill. We can't use kill free for no long. Once you get it all.
Destroy your SATCOM.
I got that right there from a kill streak. It's like 20 kills ago. I wonder if anybody's ever going to catch up to me. Hold on, what are we ending this at?
Oh, it's almost there. 30.
Is there time? Oh! Yes! 30! 30! You shot me, I'm like, wow. I got a headshot off of that.
You shot the spaceman.
21 deaths. Y'all both had 25 deaths. 30 kills, 23 and 18. I wonder how many kills we would have had altogether. I gotta upgrade my class.
Now, you have to use,
Okay.
roll this.
Sorry about this, guys, but I'm gonna have to end this video here, so I'll see you guys next time.